What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we're gonna learn all the 12 months in English. But before that, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. January, 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 February, 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 March, 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 April, 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 May, 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 June, 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 July, 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 August, 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 September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, December, December. All right, now let's go ahead and say it fast together. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now that we know all 12 months, let's go ahead and make some sentences. January is the first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Her birthday is in May. Her birthday is in May. It is really hot in July. It is really hot in July. His classes start in August. His classes start in August. Christmas is in December. Christmas is in December. Awesome, guys. Today, you guys learned all the months in the year in English. Make sure to keep practicing your English every day, speaking out loud. If you guys like this video or learned something new, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.